Hi, I'm Christy, and I've got to tell you about Selena Gomez's celebrity crush. The 23-year-old singer revealed she has eyes for Chris Evans, the superhero star of Captain America: Civil War. She confessed the adorable tidbit on Bravo's Watch What Happens Live Sunday night and told host Andy Cohen, "Isn't he cute?" And Cohen replied, "Yeah, he is cute." Gomez hasn't been in a serious relationship since she officially broke up with boyfriend Justin Bieber in November 2012. And Evans was spotted with on-again girlfriend Minka Kelly last month. In other news, Gomez's newly released second album, Revival, has gone #1 as reported by Billboard. Gomez led with the song Good For You, featuring A$AP Rocky, and it climbed to #5 on the Billboard Hot 100. Her latest single, Same Old Love, about a fed-up romantic, has been getting lots of radio airplay, and she performed the hit on Jimmy Fallon's Late Night Show last week. Thanks so much for watching. For more celebrity news, check back here every Monday and Wednesday.